their parents, career aspirants, as well as the stakeholders of Uihmt. Myself, MR.TARUN CHANDRA ARYA, HOD of Hotel Management Department, and the Secretary IQAC documentation is pleased to share some of my views on the performance of the department. The department has shown wonderful performance during the last 3 to 4 years. I must tell you that the department has 2 courses. The first one is diploma and the other one is degree. Both the courses are job oriented. The linkage of the department with 5 stars at national and international level is very nice. It happens because of the good quality students we pass out to the placement center. What we teach is not simple but active learning. Students do learn in the workshop like food production, F&B, housekeeping and front office. Students became so creative that they do practical at their own and became confident. This is the reason 100% placement is assured. We are teaching some of the students free of cost, which is a part of social responsibility. Thank you so much.